How to remote start a Ram ProMaster 3500. You click the lock button twice, you click the start button twice, the horn will honk a couple times, you'll hear the heater kick in because it's cold. You will wait for it to start. There you go, and then you just put your hand on here, unlock it. So now it says remote activation started. Press the button. So in order to drive it, you need to come over here and press this button. And the other cool thing about the remote start is it'll turn the heater on like crazy. It'll kick the revs up to 1,000 RPMs to help warm the truck up. So that's how you remote start the Dodge Ram 2500 year 2021. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.